I've heard people say dark skin isn't as beautiful, and it used to make me feel bad.
Beautiful I am, girl. See those wings? Just look at these beautiful wings.
Who told you that? I am the queen of beauty. Look at this elegance.
You know, people say black is beautiful.
Finally, you have a grok alternative. This is mind-blowing.
Neka, are you kidding me? Wow.
I wouldn't want this video to be lengthy. First thing first, go to your Play Store or your App Store and search for Tinker. Yeah, Tinker Shopify. Okay, so this is it. Just click on it and install it. Actually, I've done a video about this AI tool. Unfortunately, some weeks back it stopped functioning, so I wouldn't want to upload a video whereby some people will come back complaining that it's not working. I actually tested this AI tool and it was really working. All right, so let's open it. Now you're going to sign up with your Google account. Yeah, you have to sign up with your Google account. It's important. Okay, now you can as well create some images. Okay, like a whole lot. This AI tool is loaded. It is loaded. Look at a lot of things you can do with this AI tool. You can do a lot of things with this AI tool. You can generate a product using this AI tool. Product editorial shot, product lifestyle shot, product studio shot, designer toy style generator, whimsical anime style, 3D figurines generator. You can use it to rewrite email. You can use it to reply the generator. Okay, you use it to draft replies to messages and trends. Shorten text. Then concept explainer, debate panel generator, weekly roundup generator, cover photo generator, selfie vlog generator. Like, you can use it to remove your background photo. You can use it to change your aspect ratio, retouch photo. Like, it is a whole lot. As you can see, it's a whole lot, and you can access a lot of AI model. This is selfie vlog generator. You can use it to generate a selfie vlog. If you keep on scrolling, you will see a whole lot of things. So let's dive in. So I'm going to click on sign up. I'm going to sign in with my Google account. So I'm going to choose a preferred Google account I want to use. All right, okay, finally I have signed up. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right in. All right, now I'm going to click on type to create. You see here, click on it. Now when you click on it, you're going to see image, video and text. You can either use an image reference, you can upload a video or as well and use a text. Okay, so let's try out something. So let me generate an image actually. Okay, all right, so this is the prompt which I use. I said generate a beautiful pizza 3D animation of a young lady in her sitting room with her dark skin melanin friend conversing. They are on Ankara gown on all back stitch braided hairstyles. So after that, I'll hit generate. Now there's something else I want to add before I generate it. You see here that says reference photos, and here that says additional settings. Just click on additional settings and choose your preferred aspect ratio. Here that says aspect ratio auto, click on it. Then you're going to see 16 by 9, 9 by 16, and you're going to see all the rest. So this is 9 by 16, 4 by 5, 3 by 4, 2 by 3, 1 by 1, 3 by 2, 4 by 3, 5 by 4, 16 by 9. So click on 16 by 9 and scroll down. Then it's going to be placed on whether it's 1K, 2K, 4K. So I'll choose 4K, as you can see. So after setting it up, just slide. As you can see, it's written slide to generate. Just slide it. Okay, so it's generating. Select allow. So you have to wait. And the best part is that it is very, very easy. It is very easy. It's always fast. It is always fast. So you are going to love this AI tool. And after this tutorial, make sure you drop a positive comment. tell me if it worked for you, and drop a thank you. So let's wait for the results. So this is the prompts which I generated. So I've copied my prompt. So I'm moving back to the AI tool. So you're going to test African, African conversation. Then we're going to test something else. Okay, we're going to test the image to video and test our test to video and see if it's going to work. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to click on type to create. And when I click on type to create, I'm going to see video. So this is for video to image reference to video, and you're going to see test. So I'm going to try out video first. Now when you click on video, you're going to see different AI tool that you can use. You're going to see Google VEO, video generator, Kling, and Seedance. Okay, so let's try out Seedance. Now this is where you describe what you want to generate. So I'm going to paste my prompt here. So just tap on it, and yeah, this is my prompt. I'm going to click on this here. Then this is here, says reference photos. I'm going to pick up the reference image which I generated here as well, and it's done uploading. Remember, I choose Seedance video generator. Okay, we're going to test all the AI tools. Okay, now after that, we're going to click on additional settings. Click on additional settings, scroll down. They are going to see choose the duration that you want. So I'm going to click on duration and select 6 seconds. So this is 6 seconds. So this is 6 seconds. This is the aspect ratio. So I'm going to choose 16:9. All right, so after that, I'm going to slide to generate. Now we're going to try out Kling to see if Kling also accommodate only 6 seconds actually. Okay, because the last time I used this AI tool, Seedance actually accommodates 15 seconds. So I think they have reduced it, but notwithstanding, we're going to try out other AI tools that is inside here, the other models here, and check the one that will be much better. Okay, so you're going to wait here. Please do not leave this interface while generating this. Do not leave this interface. Okay, so you have to wait here. Now this is beautiful. I love the quality of the video. The first time I used this AI tool, I really loved it because it was so beautiful. Okay, I'm going to play the first video I generated using this AI tool.
Beautiful I am, girl. See those wings? Just look at these beautiful wings.
Who told you that? I am the queen of beauty. Look at this elegance.
You know, people say black is beautiful.
I actually used animal. I created animal pizza 3D video, and it came out clean. Okay, so let's wait and see the results. Something I want to tell you all. So whenever a tutorial is being dropped, I would advise you to rush it immediately. Watch it to the end and start using it. Do not wait, because most of this AI tool, once they've known that people are using it, before you know it, they will add payment to it. So later on, you come back saying that it's not working because you didn't access it that time. So whenever a tutorial is being dropped, the best thing you need to do for yourself is to utilize the opportunity and start using it for yourself. All right, so that is it. Now the video is ready. So I'm going to tap here. All right, so this my prompt is quite lengthy. I mean my dialogue. So what I'm going to do is to just reduce it. So it's too lengthy, as you can see. So I'm going to copy it. Then I'll copy here as well and delete. I'm going to delete it. So I'm going to click here. Let me check my aspect ratio. And remember, whatever video you're generating, you have to check your aspect ratio, you see. Okay, you have to check it. So I'm going to click here and generate. So let's wait for the results. We're going to try out text to video. So I'm going to click on this type. Then I'm going to click on
Bella, can I ask you something? Of course. What's on your mind?
Come back here, you thief!
Now I discovered something. Okay, right now the Seedance video does not actually have an audio. I don't know how they did this. Previously, when I used this Seedance, like the video I showed you, I used this to generate 15 seconds of different videos. Unfortunately, right now the Seedance is no more talking. The Kling was 15 seconds as well. It's no more talking. Now the only one that is talking is actually View. So I have to use View. Is View that I'm using now. So I'm waiting for it to generate. Let's see if it's going to talk. I'm going to upload the Seedance and the Kling. Unfortunately, they cannot talk. I don't know whether they are working on it. I don't know what they are really doing. So let's wait for this video to generate. Now this is what you do. Okay, so you're going to click back. Okay, so you're going to click on your profile. When you click on your profile, you have to scroll down and log out. All right, once you can generate videos again. Okay, you can actually generate up to 5 videos. Click on sign in again with a different account and generate more videos.